Unlock exclusive perks and savings on your next Tesla by mastering the referral code. Ready to get rewarded for joining the Tesla family? It's super simple to use your Tesla referral code, and I'm going to walk you through every step. This tutorial will guide you from finding that magic code to enjoying the awesome benefits it unlocks, whether you're ordering a new Tesla car, a Powerwall, or even solar panels. Understanding how to apply your referral is key. First things first, how do you actually get a referral code? If you know someone who owns a Tesla, ask them for their unique referral code. They can usually find it easily in their Tesla account under the Refer and Earn or Rewards section. They can then share this code directly with you. Keep in mind, referral codes are typically shared between existing Tesla owners and new buyers. Now, let's talk about applying it. The best time to enter your referral code is when you're placing your new Tesla order. As you go through the online order process, you'll reach a point where you can review your configuration. Look for a field specifically for referral code or promo code. Sometimes it's clearly labeled, other times it might be a bit subtler within a review or addition section. Carefully type in the referral code provided by your friend. Double check for any typos, as codes are case sensitive. Once entered, hit the apply button. You should see an instant update on your order summary indicating that the referral has been successfully applied. And you'll see the specific reward you're eligible for. What kind of rewards can you expect? Tesla referral programs can vary, so always check the current offerings. Common rewards include free supercharging miles, exclusive merchandise, or even discounts on accessories for products like Powerwalls or solar. There might be credits or specific installation benefits. The exact reward will be clearly displayed when you apply the code. It's also important to be aware of any terms and conditions. Referral rewards are typically tied to new vehicle deliveries or product installations. There might be specific timeframes or eligibility requirements. The Tesla website's referral page will have the most up-to-date information on what's currently being offered and any associated rules. So give that a quick read to make sure you're getting the most out of your code. Using a referral code is a fantastic way to enhance your Tesla ownership experience, so don't miss out on these valuable benefits. Enjoy your Tesla!